I asked this question expecting a simple no. Every Amazon seller knows the frustration. You can see what people are searching for, but you can't see which products they're actually buying. The data doesn't connect. It's like Amazon intentionally hid it from us. Except they didn't. I was just looking in the wrong place. Here's what happened when I finally asked the right question. For the longest time, I believed something about Amazon advertising data that seemed obviously true. You can't match search terms to the ASIN customers actually purchase. When customers ask this question, I always answered no, because in a particular campaign there can be multiple ASIN. So when you look at the campaign performance, you can't go one-to-one from campaign performance to ASIN. Sure, you can see search terms in your search term report. And yeah, you can see purchase products in another report. But connecting them, joining that data, I thought it was impossible. The Amazon Advertising API just doesn't give you that level of granularity. Too much privacy. Too much attribution complexity. The data lives in separate silos, and there's no bridge between them. So like every other seller, I made educated guesses about which search terms were driving sales to which products. And sometimes, I guessed wrong. Then one day, a good customer asked us if the API has access to the same data as the new Amazon advertising reports in Seller Central, so they can match search terms to ASIN. Hi, my name is Mike Din, Non-Din's AI avatar. Non and the Seller Labs team have written the script for this video. We have sold over $80 million on Amazon since 2012. We're your guide to the AI revolution in e-commerce. If you like this, click like and subscribe to join the AI revolution. So I was working with our Seller Labs MCP connected to Claude AI, and so I decided to ask it the question, can you match search terms with ASIN using the Amazon Ad API data? And it gave me the answer I expected. Well, it's complicated. You'd need to export multiple reports, join them on timestamps, analyze patterns. Classic non-answer. But then, and this is the moment everything changed, it asked me something back. That question made me realize something. I wasn't asking, can I match search terms with ASIN? I was asking, does Amazon make this easy for me? And those are two very different questions. So we started exploring. First, it showed me the tables. Search term performance has search terms and ad performance purchase products by keyword has purchased ASIN. Wait, by keyword. It went looking. Check that second table. Show me what's inside. And there it was. A table called purchase products by keyword with these exact columns. Keyword text, the search term. ASIN, the ASIN they clicked on. Other ASIN, the ASIN they actually bought. The connection wasn't missing. It was sitting right there. AI found it in a table I'd never looked at. When we ran the query joining search terms to purchased ASIN, the results came back in seconds. Garden gloves for women. Customers clicked on small gloves, but they bought medium gloves instead, 89 times, which is $1,279 in revenue. Which means I've been advertising the wrong size gloves for months. Once I had this data, everything changed. Discovery number 1. I found a search term, a part number, that was generating $2,351 in cross-sells to a completely different ASIN. I didn't even know that connection existed. Discovery number 2. My Nitrile Garden Gloves for Women campaign. I was advertising the small size, but customers wanted medium. 8 purchases, $176 in revenue, all going to the wrong ASIN in my catalog. Discovery number 3. I could finally see my actual return on ad spend, not the ROAS Amazon showed me, but the real number including cross-sells to other ASIN in my catalog. The craziest part? This data was always there. In my account. In my database. Waiting for me. I just never thought to look for it in a table called Purchase Products by Keyword. But AI revealed this to me and did the calculations for me. Here's what I learned. Most sellers ask, can I do this with Amazon's API? The better question for AI, where in my data is this answer already hiding? The limitation wasn't Amazon's API. It was my assumption that if the data wasn't obvious, it didn't exist. If you wrestle with AI long enough, you can figure out what's possible and what's not. AI is able to find patterns we cannot, and it's only going to get smarter each day. You can match search terms to purchased ASIN. You can see which products customers actually buy for each search term. You can stop guessing and start knowing. You just have to ask AI to look for you. Also, now you have listing SKU and ASIN. You can also ask AI to join with the listings table to get brands. Then you can group by brand. We're living through the AI revolution. Most sellers have no idea what's possible when you feed AI the right data and ask it the right question. You have a unique opportunity to get ahead of your competitor if you connect your Seller Central data to AI using Seller Labs MCP. Don't miss it. Start learning how to use it before your competitors get ahead of you in the next 12 months. Want to see exactly how to use AI to access this data in your own account without writing SQL or hiring a developer? Link below. Because once you see which search terms are driving sales to which products, you can't unsee it. And your campaigns will never be the same. Visit our website at www.sellerlabs.com/Amazon-MCP for more information.